Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech-IVP channel. In last session, we have explored about the introduction part of the Katalon Studio and walked through its installation step by step. And today I'm really super excited to show you how to record test script effortlessly and build your project as a professional in the Katalon Studio. But guys, before we dive in, don't forget to like this video if you find really it's helpful for you and share it with your tech buddies to share knowledge. Also, please subscribe to Tech IVP channel to update more amazing tutorials. And of course, please drop your thoughts and questions in the comment box. Okay, all right, let's jump in the tutorial part. Okay, let's see how this one is working. So this one is the first interface. But is also Katalon Studio provides the facility to build the Cucumber automation framework, which is more demanding in the market. So in next tutorial we will discuss about the BDD framework. Firstly, we have to cover our basic test scripts, how we have to record the script and how we have to be execute. So firstly, we have to click on the new project and type here the project name. Project name is, let me type here, test demo. Okay, and in the last video I was explained you Katalon Studio provides the facility to build automation framework for the API mobile desktop application as well. Okay, so you have to start with the blank project. Later on we will discuss about the Cucumber also these features, and we will discuss about the repository URL, and this one is your location where your project is stored. Also you have to provide the description, and this one is your location where your project is saved, and after that you have to provide the description here. Okay, so let me type here, let me just little bit scroll this one and let me click on the okay, it's initializing your project class path. Okay, it's taking little bit time, so no worry. So let me click on OK, and your project is built it. Okay, now your project is built it. How you have to check your project is built it? This one, see here, Katalon Studio test demo. This one is my project name, and this one is the architecture of our test suite. This one is exactly called test suite, where we have to capture all the test cases, test scenario and test data. But in the Katalon Studio language, test suite is a single mechanism where we have to initialize our test cases. But later on we will discuss about this one in the depth. Firstly, we have to record our basic test script. So let me click here and click on the test case. Test case is 1 tc_1 valid credential. Let me type in the short, right? So also you have to provide the description here and tagging. After that you have to click on the OK, and now it's building. Let me close this start page. Now this one is built. Okay, let me create the second test case. Test case 2 tc_valid, let me type tc_2 invalid credential. Login with invalid credential. Click on OK. Also you have to create a folder for the login page as well as sign up page as well as. Okay, so how to create a folder, let me show you. You have to click on this button and type here login_page, okay, and click on this one OK, and let me shift these both test cases to this folder because these are related to the login page. Okay, so now it's created and it's come under the login page. Also you have to build a new folder, name is sign up. Okay. And same way you have to create the test cases. tc_1 valid Let me create sign up with valid data. Okay. In same way you have to create the test case too. Okay, let me create the test case number 2. Test case tc underscore 2 underscore sign up with invalid data. Okay. Also you have to provide the description what exactly steps you are going on this one, what invalid data you are using. Meanwhile you have to store in the separate data files also. This one is your data file. Okay, so let me click on the OK button. Now this test case is built. Now let's record first test case. Our first test case is valid credential. We have to log in with the valid credential. So let me click on this one. Okay, now we have to click on this button to record the web. If you want to record mobile application, then you have to click on this one, but for mobile application you need a APM. So later on video I will discuss you how you have to install the APM, how you have to test the mobile application, and how you have to build a mobile automation framework. Also it provides the feature for the debugging, profiling. Profiling is a kind of a global variable. You want to set your staging environment is different, your QA environment is different, your dev environment is different, so you have to set through the profiling. So later on video we will discuss about this one. So let me create first test case. So firstly we have to click on the record web, and here I have to pass the URL. This one is the URL. Okay, and from here you have to choose your browser, in which browser you want to record, Chrome, Firefox, Edge. Okay, so in my case I'm choosing Firefox, so it's initializing, and you can expand from this one. So here you have to see your steps, what steps exactly performed. So first, in normally if I talk about the manual test case, so firstly we have to launch our browser, then navigate to the URL, then perform another actions. Okay, so my browser is, let me check, yeah, browser is launched. So it's navigating to the URL, and let me pass here admin, username, admin, and password admin 123. Okay, so password is by default stored in the encrypted format. Okay, later on I will show you how you have to pass password in the plain text. Okay, but in the next tutorial, in this tutorial we are just recording our basic script, and we will explore how test case is going, how test case is executing, and how test case is going in the funnel. Okay, so after this let me click on this button. Now it's getting login successfully, and let me log out, and then close browser. So now I have to close the browser. Okay, and next step is to save script. So how we have to save the script? So firstly you have to click on this one and create a new folder here if you want, else you can save in the same repository. So let me create here login valid cred. So safer side we have to create this one. Okay, so right now this one is a blank. Let me select this one and click on the OK button. Now your script is saved in this, your object repository is saved in this one. Okay, in the login. These are the action we have performed. Firstly we have to open browser, then navigate, then pass the username, then password, and then we have to click on the login button. After that we have to click on the profile menu button, and then log out, and then close browser. So let me run how we have to run. You have to click on this play button, and there is a options in which browser you want to execute. So let me execute this one on the Firefox. So I have just clicked on this one, so it's running out, and see it's taking a little bit time. Firefox is building right now. It's running, it's showing running Firefox. Sometimes it's taking little bit time. Yeah, it start executing. Just wait. I hope it's taking a little bit time. Yeah, now it's launched. Sorry guys, my machine is very slow. So right now it's opened the browser and navigating to the URL. After that, it will pass the username and password and then click on the login button. Also, you have to provide their wait mechanism. In later video, I will show you how you have to pass the wait, and also I will show you how you have to build the script. Okay, now this test case is passed on the Firefox. Let me check the same test case on the Chrome browser. So you have to click on this one. You have to click on the play button and then select your browser in which you want to run. So it's going to run. So in later video I will also show you how you have to pass dependencies for the specific browser, how you have to execute parallel test cases. Okay, so now it's open my Chrome browser and it's showing Chrome is being controlled by automated test software. Okay, now it's getting login, then click on the profile button and then log out, and after that close browser. So mostly our test cases are passed, so it's showing this one here. Just let me scroll up. So this one is showing pass 1. Okay, also you have to check the event from this one. What event is triggered? If you face any problem, then you have to check here. Okay, this one is our console. Okay, and this one is our script where you have to build the automation script. So in later video I will explain you what is web UI, what are the methods. Okay, and also you have to pass the variables, how you have to pass the variables. Variables means test data you have to pass. Okay, data binding, integration. In the next tutorial I will explain you. But for these guys, please subscribe this channel for more amazing content about the Katalon Studio. Okay, thank you guys. Have a nice day. Bye.